Hi, my name is Levell. I'm a bartender from Birmingham, and I've been in the industry for around 16, 17 years. Today I want to talk to you about one of my favourite products in the SOA range, which is the Black Dragon Pineapple Rum. What I love about this spirit is you get a lot of caramelised pineapple, some candied ginger, and even some baked peach. It's just a really great liquid, and I'm going to make a drink that we use it in, and it's called the Mayan King. And so what we start with 30 mils of Black Dragon Pineapple. Then we use 20 mils of Coconut Tequila. And the next ingredient is a spirit from the Empirical range, and this is called Ayuuk. So it's a spirit that celebrates the Pasilla Mixe, which is a smoked chili from Oaxaca in Mexico, and we just use 10 mils of that. And next, we have a homemade ingredient. We make a mango tea and Demerara sugar syrup, and we put 5 mils of this. And then 20 mils of coconut water just to accentuate the coconut. And we have 2 dashes of MSG solution, and then 6 dashes of Adobo Bitters. So we'll give this a little bit of a throw. And we serve it over block ice. And for garnish, we have fresh bay leaf, some gold, and then we also toast a little star anise. So this is the Mayan King, and for more recipes and information, you can go to spiritsofAnarchy.com. And I've been Mike, and thank you for watching.